Hello folks, today here at Cina Salsas we are going to be making a cherry salsa, and I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. For my salsa I will be using one white onion. It is already diced, just one onion. I'm going to be using 3 garlic cloves. This is already diced, and if you can mice, that's fine too. I will be using 3 Serrano peppers, but if you guys feel that this is too spicy for you guys, maybe you can use only 2 Serrano peppers. I also will be using cilantro. The cilantro is already diced as well and chopped, just so you are aware. I will be using 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is going to bring a lot of good flavors for your salsa, so just 1 tablespoon. I will be using half a teaspoon of salt. I will be using a little less than 1 tablespoon of black pepper, just so you are aware. And the procedures are going to be the following. And how to forget, I will be using 2 cups of cherries. Well, thank you for watching Cina Salsas. This is the first recipe that we are sharing with you guys. It is absolutely good. It is refreshing, and it's time to try it out and see how it is. Refreshing, so flavorful, perfect for summertime. So we'll see you in the next video here at Cina Salsas, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. See you later.